Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, and let's start verse number 31st to 42 of chapter 4 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here Lord Krishna stated, Naya lokastya yagnasya kuto nyaya kuru sattvam. Krutu nyaya kuru sattvam. O best of Kuru dynasty, without sacrifice one can never live happily on this planet or in this life. What then of the next? Without sacrifice of the breathing, without sacrificing of eating, no one can maintain his physical body. Means it's all about the karma, it's all about to perform prescribed duty. Lord Krishna further stated, Ivam Brahu Vidya Yagya Vitva Brahmana Mukhe Karma Ja Vindya Tasmane the Gyata Vimokshasya. Here all these different types of sacrifice are approved by the Vedas. Different type of sacrifice are approved by the Vedas, and all of them are born of the different type of work. Knowing them as such, you will become liberated. Knowing such, you will become liberated. Here different type of the sacrifice as sacrificed above are mentioned in the Vedas to suit the different types of the workers. And because men are so deeply absorbed in the bodily concept, and the sacrifice are so arranged that one can work either with the body, with the mind, or with the intelligence. One can work either with the body, mind, and intelligence. And but all of them are recommended to for the ultimately bringing about the liberation from the body. And this is confirmed by the Lord here from His own mouth. Liberation from the body. Without body, the soul will never get liberation. So the body is required, the medium of the body is required. Means without body, the soul can never perform any prescribed duty. So the medium of the body by which soul can learn and get experience and carry forward this experience and knowledge whenever the soul get transmigrated into the new body. Lord Krishna further stated, Srena Drava Mayada Yajana Jnana Yajana Parantapah Sarva Karma Khila Partha Jnana Parisamapayate. Here Lord Krishna stated Samapayate. Here Lord Krishna stated, O extinguisher of enemy. The sacrifice performed with the knowledge is better than mere sacrifice in the material possession. Sacrifice performed in the knowledge is better than mere sacrifice in the material possession. And after all, son of Prutha, all the sacrifice of the world culminate in the transcendental knowledge. The sacrifice which are performed in the knowledge will culminate in the transcendental knowledge. Here Lord Krishna stated the purpose of all sacrifice to arrive the status of the complete knowledge, and then to gain the real from the material miseries, and ultimately to engage in the lovingly transcendental service to the Supreme Person Godhead Lord Krishna. Nonetheless, there is a mystery about all these different activities of sacrifice. One should know this mystery. Sacrifice sometimes take a different forms according to the particular faith of the performer. When one's faith reaches the stage of the transcendental knowledge, the performer of the sacrifice should be considered more advanced than those who simply sacrifice material possession without such a knowledge. For without attainment of the knowledge, sacrifice remains on the material platform and bestow on the spiritual benefit. Lord Krishna stated, sacrifice perform the bestow of the spiritual benefit. The real knowledge culminate in the Krishna consciousness, the highest stage of the transcendental knowledge. Without the elevation of the knowledge, sacrifice are simply material activities. Without the elevation of the knowledge, the sacrifice are only considered as a material activities. Tadintrani pranipatena pariprasnana sevya उपदेश शक्ति न ते ज्ञान दर्शितः तत्वदर्शिनाः ज्ञान तत्वदर्शिनाः परिप्रश्नने सेवय. Here Lord Krishna stated how to learn, the learning process. Without patience you are not able to learn. Pariprasnana sevaya, questioning again and again. Repeat your question and try to ask the question to the Supreme Person God, to your teacher, to your spiritual master. Pariprasnana sevaya. Tadindri pranipatena. First pranipatena. Pariprasnana Sevaya. I would have to surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, to my spiritual master. Then Pariprasnana. I have to ask the question, then Sevaya, then save the particular questions or answer. उपदे द्रक्ष्यनि ते ज्ञानस्य तत्वदर्शिनाः ज्ञान तत्वदर्शिनाः. Here just try to learn the truth by approaching the spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render the service unto him. Pariprasnana sevaya. The self-realized soul can impart the knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. The self-realized. You have to directly surrender unto Lord Krishna. If you surrender to Lord Krishna, then Lord Krishna will definitely show His supreme mercy on you. Pariprasnana sevaya. The path of spiritual realization is undoubtedly difficult. It's very difficult. Spiritual realization is very difficult. The Lord therefore advised us to approach the bona fide spiritual master in the line of the discipline succession from the Lord Himself. No one can be bona fide spiritual master without following the principle of the disciplining succession. So Guru Shishya Parampara is required. Here Lord Krishna stated, we all have to approach the spiritual master in order to get the supreme knowledge, in order to get the right path, in order to get the supreme personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, supreme abode of Lord Krishna. यज ज्ञानत्व ना पुनर्मोहम इवम यशस्वी पांडवा येन भूत्वानि शेषाणि द्रक्ष्य आत्मनो मही. Having obtained real knowledge from the self-realized soul, you will never fall again in such an illusion. For by this knowledge, you will see that all the living beings are but the part of the Supreme, or in other words, they are only mine. They are only mine. This is stated by Lord Krishna. So I have covered verse number 35, and rest of things I will cover in my another video. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.